Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change your time zone on Chuwi GemiBook Pro. To do this, we'll need to click on the start and go to the settings. Right here, locate time and the language, go for date and time, and then there's the time zone. You can click on this list to choose whichever time zone you like. And you can also enable set time zone automatically with the switch, and it will lock the time zone settings, but it will automatically adjust the time zone to your location. In case you want to change it again manually, make sure that the set time zone automatically is off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.